In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with a URL shortener. As you can see, this website is called Bc.Vc, and this is they say, a modern URL shortener. As you can see here, you can go to this website, then shorten your links. And if you have a website or an Instagram page or a YouTube channel and you want to monetize your traffic, this is an easy way to do it. As you can see here I have an example Instagram page. And if I have some content on it, like view our blogs on your website, what you can do is you can hit, you can go to Bc.Vc, you can create an account over here, hit register, then you can enter in your email, password, and then again your password. I'm going to do that right now. Then hit register when you entered in all the details. And then as you can see, you have to check your email for verification. So here is the verification of Bc.Vc. You have to hit the link and then go to the login page, and now you can log in to your account. As you can see over here you can see the impressions, the clicks, the unique eCPMs, and what this means is how much you get per lead. And here are the earnings. So let's select your link. So for example, if your website is called how to example, just an example, this is your website, you can hit shorten, and as you can see, this is the link. So every time someone hits this link, they will see ads and you get paid. Now you can go to your Instagram page or YouTube or basically anything that you get traffic from and then put your link in it. So I just do it like this, then hit submit, and now every time someone goes to your profile and they want to go to the link because you send them through it. So if you hit the link, I'm going to show what happens. So this is the link. When you go to it, this is what it says. You will see an ad, and now you have to hit get link. And now when you go back, you can hit allow. And when someone completes this, you get paid, and the person who wants to go to your website can hit allow, and then that's basically it. He can go to your website. Everyone's happy because you get paid, and they don't have to buy anything or do actually anything, and you still monetize them. So this is basically how it works. Now, as you can see, because I made a click, it says I got a click. And this is basically how it works. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.